Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rearrange home screen apps on your Philips PFS 6939 TV. To rearrange the applications that you can see on your home screen, you have to basically select the app that you want to rearrange, so that you want to replace with another app, or maybe just move the app to the front of the list. And once you highlighted this app, you're gonna have to hold down OK button. And now in order to change its position, just use left and right D-pad arrow keys to change its position. And once the position is right for the app, click OK. And this way you will replace the app on your home screen. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.